Plants can't speak, but they do communicate. When a caterpillar attacks a leaf, the plant releases airborne chemical signals. Nearby plants detect these signals and instantly activate their defenses. But the real magic is underground. A web of fungi connects roots across the forest, a biological internet called the mycorrhizal network. Through this network, trees send nutrients to sick neighbors, warn others of danger, and even share resources with their own offspring. In a way, forests don't just grow, they communicate, cooperate, and protect one another.